Our top story, Montana political leaders, public health officials, and college students all came together for one cause, to get a handle on prescription drug abuse in Montana. MTN's Lindsay Ford went to the 174 kickoff campaign and spoke with people there.
At the Capitol Rotunda, seats were set out for guests and a podium for Montana leaders to speak on the prescription drug abuse problem in Montana.
Our fellow friends, neighbors, and family members have been personally affected by this epidemic.
Attorney General Tim Fox and spokespeople for Senator Tester and Daines expressed their concerns with the issue.
To work towards the goal of making Montana better.
A group of Carroll College students presented data they gathered about the Helena community's opioid abuse problem. They partnered with Youth Connections and the Drug Coalition Task Force to spread awareness throughout the Helena community, conducted environment scans and interviews to see where the people of Helena stood on the issue.
Within our interviews and our focus groups, we've seen that a lot of people do believe that this is an issue in the community.
Megan Durant, a Carroll College student who helped conduct this research, said other Carroll College students have recognized around campus there is an opioid abuse issue.
I have had prior experience with it with family, and just going through that as a kid is rough, and just getting that education out there and letting it be known that it is a problem and that it can be addressed head on instead of after the issue.
Kimberly Gardner is a clinical director at Intermountain. In her line of work, she said opioid abuse is a serious issue with youth in Montana.
Yes, we are finding that opiate abuse and addiction is a big deal in Helena, and it certainly, we weren't spared the epidemic crisis at all here.
Gardner said education is a great way to help people understand what substance abuse is. Gardner explains it's a chronic relapsing brain disorder that overtakes a person when they seek drugs rather than seek treatment to get off the drug.
We really can't do this alone, and there's no one right solution and there's no one single solution. So to see everybody here pulling together is very exciting and gives me a lot of hope for our future.
In Helena, Lindsay Ford, MTN News.
There are several drug take-back events scheduled this week. You can head to our website, ktvh.com, for those details.